Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just very quick. I have designed another folio, and I'm not going to go through making this one and putting it together because we've done that already, but I just wanted to show it to you real quick. I've done a little extra sewing on this one. So like the tags that came with the kit, I put some coffee dyed paper on the back. I did sew around them and put a little eyelet in there. I've got some sewing there and around here. And then on this one, when you open it up, instead of having the string that loops through, I actually done it to where it tucks down in it. And then I just used some of the other pieces that came with it to make some little pockets, a tag with some coffee dyed paper. I put one of the little circles that come in the kit as like a little dangle. Here's another tag, another little circle. I didn't put the dangle on. The small circles you can cut out using your 1-inch circle punch, and the larger circles you can cut out using your 1.5-inch circle punch. And I am so sorry for the lighting. I am not sure what's going on. I'm using the same studio lighting that I have used in the other studio, but for whatever reason, it is not liking it in the new studio. So I don't know. We will have to get used to that. So anyway, when you open it up, you just do it like that. Again, I've done some sewing. I've got the journal cards in here. I've done the tabs, and then I did put some coffee dyed paper on the back of them, and I just sewed around them. And then I've done the same thing on this side over here. It's got the tabs, the coffee dyed paper, and then they just stick right down in there. Now, this kit here, I will show you the kit itself, and then I will show you the collection that I used to actually design this kit. So I'm just going to stick this stuff back in. And so it's just so cute. I love it. I love these folios. Very cute. All right, so this is the kit, and this is the Victorian Romance kit, I believe is the name of it. I'll make sure I link it below. So it does come with 2 of these. These are the exact same thing. And then it comes with, I can't remember if the kit has 1 sheet of the coffee dyed paper or 2. I did print these front and back so that whenever I cut it out, that coffee dyed paper will be on the back of it. It comes with this here, which is your the insides here, and you can print that twice and even put it on that outside there if you wanted to. This here is what makes the strap. I cut them out and then I glued them together. These you can cut out using your 1-inch circle punch. These are your outside pockets here. And you can see I've already done some distressing on them. These are your journal cards, and I've got some tabs and some tags there. Some more journal cards, more tags, tabs, and more tags. These are your inside pockets, and then these circles you can cut out using your 1.5-inch circle punch. And then it comes with a sheet of ephemera. So it's got these beautiful tags. It's got some tickets. It's got some labels and some more tabs. And I love, love, love this. So it makes a very beautiful folio. I mean, it is just, it's beautiful to me. I think it's just absolutely gorgeous. This would make a great birthday gift, Mother's Day gift, anything like that. So let me show you the collection that I used to create this. This is, I think this is my newest collection. Oh, I think I have a couple here. Yeah, one of them that I have not released yet because I'm still working on it. All right, so this is the Victorian Romance collection. And it's definitely not my normal style, but I do love it. I printed this on thicker paper, so I'm having to remember, try and figure out what's what. It's just very beautiful. I love the colors of it. You do have some hints of like you can see very faintly, there's some writing in it. You've got some different elements there. I did use like some of the Victorian like perfume bottles, Victorian ladies, some furniture, that kind of stuff there. And this one's beautiful. It's got that Victorian chair, the chandelier. It's just absolutely gorgeous to me. I love it. And then this one has the writing desk, the house, perfume bottle. And I love this one with the old shoes in it. It does have some writing that you can faintly see, an old clock. It's got some ladies having tea. And then this is just the Victorian dress, and very faintly in the background you can see a clock in it. And then just got some pretty elements there. Got a couple of pair of shoes there. I've got some armchairs, just some very Victorian looking stuff to me. And then just a couple of the perfume bottles. I love this one here. It has the teapot. It's got the clock. It's got a hat. You see some flowers in the background. It's just got a lot going on. And then this one here, we've got the lady, the chest of drawers. It looks like her makeup, and you can see some faint writing in that one. And then I also, in this kit, you get, these are some mini file folders. And these, I believe, will fit in that folio as well. And then we've got some pockets here and some labels. We've got some more pockets here. And then I just done like some very generic tags that match the actual kit. And then we've got a couple of envelopes. So that is the kit. This is the Victorian Romance collection. I think it's Victorian Romance collection. It is available in my Etsy. And this is the collection that I use to make this kit here. And so you can see it's absolutely beautiful, but this would be very cute to make a journal with, or to use in a journal, and then include this with some of the extra ephemera when you get done with the journal and you want to send it to the recipient. You know, any of the embellishments that you have left over, just tuck it down in here and send it along with the journal that was made using this collection. Wonderful, wonderful thing. Now, and I'm sorry this video was kind of short, but I do want to kind of give you a little peek of what tomorrow's video will be. I have, and we will work on one tomorrow. Guys, look at this. This is a spiral bound junk journal. This is made from an old, I guess like Winnie the Pooh, or I don't know, whatever book this is. And when you open it up, look at this. So this is original. This is washi tape that I just put over the spine. This is a coil binding. I do have a piece of acetate over the top just to protect it. and this book was coming apart. So that's one thing. So I used the original book cover and I didn't do anything. I just kind of left it. Now I can glue this and make pockets if I want to, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do. So I just left that in there. Then I've got some vellum, or no, that's tracing paper, and some coffee dyed paper. I've got some ledger paper. I've got an envelope in here. This is some of the original book that's in there. And look, isn't that beautiful? Got some more coffee dyed paper. This is some vintage paper here. Some tracing paper. This is part of that flag thing. This is just a piece of scrapbook paper. I've got some more coffee dyed paper, ledger paper, just a little folded up piece of coffee dyed paper. This is some more of the original book. All of those right there. This is some coffee dyed paper. This is just a small piece of ledger paper. This is some more of the original book there. Some more scrapbook paper. This is a little vellum or glassine envelope. Some more ledger paper. Some more of the original book. And then a little piece of ledger paper. And then this is what you can't tell. You can't tell how I got that in there. But what I've done, and I don't know if you can see it, but I created the spiral bound part outside of the book, and then I glued it down, and then I used the piece just like this to glue on top of it. So it literally looks like it's part of the book. So we will start doing that on tomorrow's video. But I wanted to get on here real quick and get you a video for today and just show you the new collection, because I'm trying to do my designing again. I've, slacked off designing for a while, but I miss designing. I love designing. So I am trying to get back into it. And so I just wanted to show you guys what I have, and I will link both of these in the description box below. So go over and purchase your copy of them, and yeah, tell me how it goes. And I will see you all tomorrow when we get started working on one of these. Bye guys.